Hey, what's up everybody? Jamison Johnson, Athens Ford. Welcome back to the Ride with JJ and Athens Ford channel. So it's been a little while for those of you who followed the page. We've been kind of on a hiatus of shooting videos, but we're back at it. We're bringing you some all new content. And today we're gonna be checking out the all new 2021 Ford Bronco. This one is going to be the Sport package. Now, as you know, last year Ford did a big reveal on the Broncos, bringing back that heritage look in some of the modern SUVs. So this one is the Sport. It's going to be one of 3 different sizes. So don't be confused if you go to your local dealer and see Bronco and it's not, you know, the bigger size that you're expecting. This one is the smaller version of the Bronco that you can get being the Sport package. The larger 2-door and 4-door models are going to be coming out later on this year. We're filming this right now just to give you an idea time-wise in late February of 21. So still heavily anticipated on the 2-door and 4-door, but these have been selling like crazy. I'm actually surprised that we have this one available for me to film for you guys today. It's going to be a big bin package. The big bin is going to be one of 5 different packages that you can get. Packages on them are going to be the base model. You've also got the big bin like we're in here today, the Outer Banks, the Badland, and the First Edition. Those were fully reserved last year when Ford did the big announcement. They sold out pretty quickly along with the larger 2-door and 4-door First Edition models there. But overall, I've been excited to help people purchase these. They're going to be very off-road capable. So this market here that Ford is trying to target with these are going to be great everyday drivers, but again, you want someone that's going to be going out that enjoys camping, that enjoys kayaking, that enjoys biking. There's so many different accessories that are available for this vehicle as well. So you know, you can take it off-road after you're done driving it to work or to home, and it is set up to handle just about anything that you can throw on it off-road wise. Standard 4x4, so you don't have to worry about buying a 2-wheel drive and being disappointed later. Standard 4x4 with it. You've got what's called goat modes on these, which is really cool. It's going to be a little switch right down here. You can twist it, so you're going to get 5 of them standard. And basically what that's going to be is your different all-terrain modes. So like your let's see, I'll toggle through some of them here and read them out. You've got your typical normal mode, the eco mode, the sport mode, and then you've also got slippery. That's one of the 5 standard, and then you've got a sand mode on here as well. So the cool thing is if you want to increase that output, look at the Badlands package. That one's going to be geared heavily towards off-road usage. It's actually going to add 2 more goat modes with the mud rut and the rock crawl mode. It's also going to add bash plates underneath it. And another cool fact about these is they all come standard with what's called the HOSS, H-O-S-S suspension. So it's going to be high performance off-road stability suspension. So there again, if you're, you know, going through different type of terrain to where it's uneven or rigid, these vehicles are definitely going to be able to handle it. Overall, safety-wise too, with these, they're going to jam-pack a lot of good safety features into them as well from the factory, which I like as part of the Ford Co-Pilot 360. So if you hear that or see that mentioned, that's what that is. But in short, you're going to have the blind spot assistance built into the side mirrors here on each side. So if there's a vehicle in your blind spot, it's going to light up, give you that warning there. It's also going to come standard with your lane keeping assistance right here, pre-collision warning. So I enjoyed that because years ago, you know, if you've been following Ford for a while, you would have to buy a higher trim package in order to get some of those safety features built in. So now they're giving them to you standard. A couple other options we'll highlight on this one. Of course, you've got the rotary dial shift right down here. This big bin that I'm in has a 1.5 liter EcoBoost engine, so it's going to be a turbocharged 4-cylinder setup in it. Still very powerful. Performance-wise, I mean, I can press down and you've got instant torque there on the low end from it. So, but it's also going to give you good fuel efficiency. These are rated right in the mid to upper 20 range for the mileage. It's paired up with an 8-speed transmission. So again, you're getting the modernized technology. You're getting a look of that Bronco heritage brought back as well to some of the features on this one. Again, accessory wise, look into it. There's going to be a ton available. So with the safari style roof above, it's rated to hold 150 pounds while you're driving, and then up to 600 pounds while you're stabilized. So if you're watching this, if you enjoy camping or anything like that, this vehicle will be perfect. 8-inch touchscreen in here. sync platform. You guys have seen that in some of our other videos. This one has the navigation built in from the factory. You're also going to be able to run your Apple CarPlay, your Android Auto. So again, everything is staying up to date Ford-wise, keeping the technology fresh, keeping everything on the go, so you're not disappointed there on that aspect. So again, if you're interested in checking out a Bronco Sport, be sure to drop by your local Ford dealer. We'll run through the packages again. You're going to have the base model, the Big Bend, the Outer Banks, the Badlands, and the First Edition. If you're a serious outdoor enthusiast, check out the Badlands package. I think that you'll be really happy with that one. Price point on these usually starts in the mid-20s and up, just depending on the equipment and options that you get on them. Another cool feature, they have a secret little bottle opener on the back side of the vehicle as well. So if you're outdoors camping, you've got glass bottles, maybe a cold adult beverage, you can pop that open, no problem. Don't have to dig for your bottle or can opener there. But again, Big Bend package here today. Reach out to us for more information. We'll be happy to help you out. Again, this is Jamison over at Athens Ford. We're located at Athens, Georgia, for those of you new to the channel or if you haven't seen any of our videos. And be sure to reach out to us. We're online, athensford.com. Home of the lifetime powertrain warranty as well. We're doing that still on these. So look forward to helping you soon. Thank you again for watching and have a great day. We'll see you on the next review. Take care.